Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So let's just first open the box here. And let's check it. So now here we can see that unfortunately we have not here any earbuds inside of our device box. That's why if you want to use them with your device together, so you should buy the headphones separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.